Look at this vibe. Some really cool moss as well. It's been a morning. I need to recenter. I need to get some breakfast, fuel up, evaluate life. If you're new around here, I'm Chloe Jones, and I'm riding this bad boy from my hometown in Wales to Tajikistan in Asia. Is epic, and that's what I've got to focus on. Like, this is it. I just picked the bike up, it fell off the stand, and I just had this moment like, fuck, I get to do this, you know, regardless of the lows. Like, some pretty epic high. Like, I rode this bad boy from Wales, mate. Look where we're at. We're in the fucking woods in Turkey in the rain. Guys, what is this? Is it some sort of a fox? We're about to head down some, it looks like pretty intense switchbacks, but this fog is a bit gnarly. So bad. Hopefully, I don't quite know if they've got a spare, but they're already taking it apart, so I'm guessing they've got a spare. We'll see. They were all super big, and he found one that would fit the holes, but it was much bigger gears than what I have. So I told him that would change the gear ratio, and he is off on his Domino's bike to try and find me a sprocket. Let's see, hopefully. I really need one the same. That's how you would do it properly, not with a grinder. We're going to the bank because their card machine didn't work, so he's going to drive me to the bank. Don't quite understand why I couldn't go on the bike, but apparently I wouldn't find it, but I'm not complaining, this traffic is mad. Hi guys, I found a really cool Airbnb. Look at this bloody view. What a day. What a way to finish off the day, yeah? And there's the tea plantations. Epic sunset happening right now, and this view. It's incredible, really, really is incredible. Amazing. So I think I'm staying in one of these.
Oh.
It's okay?
Ah, sama.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Chai.
Chai. Ama te. Oh.
Yamak.
Bardak.
Yamak chair.
Yok.
Yok chair. Yok.
Yok yemek çayı değil.
Yemek
Keyif çayı. Keyif.
Keyif çay.
Keyif çayı.
Keyif çay.
Keyif çayı.
Keyif.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you.
Keyif çayı.
Teşekkür ederim.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet
Bak.
olsun.
Bak.
Bak.
Sen var ya. Ne dedi?
Yakındaki tarlalarda neler büyüyor?
Şimdi tarlalarda mısır büyüyor.
Tamam.
Ha. Şimdi tarlalarda mısırdan başka bir şey yok. Çay ve mısır.
Çay ve mısır, kabak,
Mandalina,
salatalık.
portakal.
Road sign, white lines, long drive, and I'm feeling something holding me back. Cut ties, no lies inside, and I never meant to say that. My eyes wide, I'll run and hide, seaside, and I never wanna go back.
Catch you again. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe, like. We are going to Georgia tomorrow. See you on the next one.